Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am making shortbread cookies with just 3 ingredients, 1 bowl. Simple and nothing complicated. First, I will sift 3/4 cups of powdered sugar into this bowl to keep the dough smooth and prevent lumps. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of softened salted butter, and I'm going to blend this on low speed with my electric hand mixer until these ingredients are fully combined. I want this to be smooth, creamy, but I don't want it to be overmixed. Now I'm going to scrape down the bowl like this. I don't want any butter or sugar to get left behind. I'm spooning the flour into my measuring cup, and I'm using 2 cups total. Measuring accurately is so important here, so do not pack the flour into the cup when you make this. You want to spoon it in, and this will give you the most accurate measurement. Or if you prefer, you can just simply weigh out 240 grams of flour. I'm mixing in the flour with the wooden spoon, and I'm going to do this just until it comes together and forms a soft, slightly crumbly dough just like this. I'm placing the dough onto my cutting board, and I'm going to gently press it together to form a ball just like so. Now I'm using a lightly floured rolling pin just to gently roll the dough outward. If you don't have a rolling pin, a clean glass or jar works just as well. You want the dough to be an even thickness all the way around, and it should look like this. I will cut the dough using biscuit cutters, and I'm just going to press straight down without twisting just to keep those edges clean. Okay, now if you don't have biscuit cutters, you can use a glass to get this done. I am baking these on a parchment lined baking sheet. I will gently press each cookie with my fingers to create a simple pattern, and I also want to keep them from being too thick. Okay, so yeah. Now here are my remaining scraps. This will make one last cookie. I ended up with 14 cookies total. I'm placing them into the fridge for 30 minutes. This will allow the butter to firm up and prevent the cookies from spreading too thin. After removing them from the fridge, I'll bake them in a preheated 325-degree oven for 30 minutes. Then I will take them out, and I'm going to let them finish setting on the baking sheet for 10 minutes before moving them. So I'm going to set my timer here, okay? And we'll be back once they are ready. And here they are 10 minutes after resting. As you can see, they've deepened slightly in color, which means they're fully baked. I'm going to plate them now. Okay, no need to put them on a cooling rack. These shortbread cookies were incredibly simple to make, and they had that classic shortbread flavor that I love so much. They were buttery tender, and they were not overly sweet. They were perfect, okay? So if you make these, be sure to come back and let me know how your cookies turn out. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.